Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. It's Travis here with JT Wealth. On this edition of Friday's video, we're talking about two strong buy stocks under $10 with triple digit upside potential in the next year. So let's get into it. All right, welcome back, guys. Thanks so much for joining me again. I don't know if you noticed, but no Bud Light today. I've got the Missouri Mule IPA. That's a Piney River beer, kind of local to my area, so I'm giving that a go. And like I said in the intro, today we've got two stocks with triple-digit upside, so that's massive, right? That's a fantastic growth opportunity, and they both cost less than $10 each right now. So this is a huge opportunity should the analysts' expectations come to fruition. We all know that is not always the case, but we want to be on the radar for these stocks in case they do jump. And before we jump right into which stocks we're talking about today, take 2 seconds out of your day, smash that like button for me, and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow and helps you guys stay up to date with all of my new content. All right, and the article we're looking at today came from TipRanks, and it says two strong buy stocks under $10 with triple digit upside, just like I described in the intro, right? And you're constantly looking for stocks that are going to produce massive yield returns, right? So when you're doing that and looking for those kind of stocks, you can use the TipRanks tool to help you find those stocks. And that's exactly what they did with these two stocks today. So the first stock we're going to talk about today is Esports Entertainment Group. And Esports Entertainment Group, ticker symbol GMBL. That is a natural combination of sports and gambling. The two have almost always been intertwined since the first foot race ever happened. But nowadays it's all happening online. And this system provides both online sports access and online gambling, nurturing that connection between sports betting and online gaming. And fans can easily connect with their favorite teams and leagues through the company's online platform, as esports has partnerships with FIFA as well as the NFL, NHL, and the NBA. And utilizing the TipRanks site, you can see here 3 strong buy ratings. They're trading at $6.25 today. But check out that upside potential, guys. 156% upside. So instead of a $6 stock, it could potentially be a $16 stock by the end of the year. Now, esports is continuing its active moves to expand its footprint. The most recent step was in October and their submission of the New Jersey Division of Gaming Enforcement of the transaction waiver. Now, this step, when approved, is going to clear the way for esports to start online betting in New Jersey, and this state has a $1 billion monthly sports betting market. Now, expansion geographically is not their only diversifying move. The company earlier this year acquired the B2B software company GG Circuit in a deal worth $43 million, and since then has used the software company's crypto mining app as an add-on to GG Leap subscriptions, allowing users to dedicate idle computing time to Ethereum mining. The mining app in October passed the $1 million mark by itself. Also in October, esports reported their fourth quarter results of fiscal year 2021, and their top-line revenue grew an impressive 63% sequentially to reach an $8.8 million, just over half of the $16.8 million total revenue generated in the fiscal year 2021. Now, the company finished the fiscal year with over $19 million in cash out of the $29 million in total assets. As far as analysts go, Roth Capital analyst Edward Engel, when talking about esports, says he's suitably impressed. He wrote that GMBL offers exposure to two of the most attractive segments in gaming, both online gaming and esports. We see them carving a sizable niche within the global online gaming industry, where their direct interaction with millions of esports fans offers an underappreciated customer acquisition opportunity. Taking all that into consideration, Engel actually rates esports stock a buy along with a $22 price target. Obviously, that is higher than the average, and should that target be met within 12 months, you're looking at a potential 285% upside. All right, now the truth of the matter here, I don't gamble and I don't play online games, but I know so many people that do, that I trust a company like that targeting those individuals is going to be successful. So I'm definitely going to keep my eye on them. Now, getting into the second company we're going to talk about today, and that is Gain Therapeutics, ticker symbol GANX. They're a biotech company working on new medication therapies for rare genetic and neurodegenerative diseases. Now, they use proprietary target identification platforms to identify and optimize previously unused allosteric binding sites, unlocking new treatment options for the target disorders. The company is targeting disease conditions characterized by protein misfolding. Now, protein misfolding disrupts the 3D structure of the molecule so that it cannot function properly in biomechanical operations. This has been implicated in a variety of conditions, up to and including Parkinson's disease. And obviously you're looking at the TipRank site as far as the GANX stock goes, trading at just over $8.10 today, but 3 strong buy ratings again, with an over 230% upside in the next 12 months to an average analyst price target of $27. Now, when we're talking about biomed, biopharm, all of these kind of companies, we obviously want to know, when is the next catalyst coming? What do they have coming down the line? Now, they have 5 pipeline products, all in the early stages of discovery or preclinical testing. And the company is focused on enzymes with a narrow application to rare genetic diseases. This allows for faster development and efficient demonstration of their proof of concept before they expand the program and indications for their larger markets. Now, among the conditions targeted by the current crop of early development pipeline projects are Parkinson's disease, Gaucher disease, amongst others. You can see some of those other ones that we're discussing here. I just can't pronounce them. Now, to talk about the company's unique advantages, one of the analysts wrote, "We believe a seasoned management team serves as a core competitive advantage, especially in the current macro drug pricing environment that has led to general equity underperformance of rare disease companies, relatively more exacerbated in the case of preclinical companies like GANX. Overall, we view them as falling in the sweet spot between the advancement of artificial intelligence in novel drug design and the value-focused CNS orphan drug development landscape. And as a result of that analysis, they'd rated GANX a buy along with a $21 price target, which is a little lower than the average, but nonetheless 185% potential upside from that analyst. So there you have it, guys. The 2 stocks trading below $10 with triple-digit upside in the next 12 months, GMBL and GANX, are gaming and therapeutics companies that we talked about today. Hopefully you found some information here valuable. If you did, don't forget, smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel as well. And as always, please remember, I'm not your financial advisor. All the information I've presented here today is just for information and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence before investing your hard-earned money in any equity at all. All right, until next time, guys, it's going to get a little hoppy in here. Bottoms up.